Hi, all. Eric Alp here with Storm Team 10 with your Saturday morning forecast update, tracking some heat and humidity for today and to tomorrow, basically for the rest of the weekend. With this high humidity right now, we're reporting some very dense fog. Look at this, Newport, 0-mile visibility reporting, and then a couple of areas in New Bedford and Westerly reporting 5 miles, and Martha's Vineyard also about a 5-mile visibility due to that dense fog. And the temperatures right now, we're in the lower to mid 70s. That's actually pretty impressive for this time of morning for early August, where our normal low is in the mid 60s. Excuse me. We're already seeing temperatures in the mid 70s. And that's going to climb well into the lower 90s as we go into the afternoon hours. But right now, the big story is the dew points. These are some very oppressive values. 75 dew point in New Bedford already, and Martha's Vineyard, a 76-degree dew point. That is a very soupy feeling, folks. And you're really going to notice it if you walk outside. And because of this heat and humidity, we have a heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. on Sunday. And that's why it's also a weather alert day. This is some dangerous heat indices, folks. Temperatures could really feel like the mid to upper 90s and even close to 100 degrees by the afternoon hours for today and even into Sunday. So definitely take it easy out there as you're heading outside. Hot, hazy, and humid, a triple H for the next few days to come. Today, Sunday, and Monday, feeling really sticky out there and hot. This slow-moving cold front is what's going to provide us that heat relief by the middle of next week. But we have this heat to deal with. Look at these feels like temperatures. These heat indices close to 100 degrees for many locations during the afternoon hours for today. And we'll repeat it again on Sunday with many locations feeling like 100 degrees. Well, all eyes have been on this low-pressure system for really the past few days now, as we desperately need the rain. Many locations in southern New England under severe drought conditions. And luckily, we are going to escape some rain from this event. In fact, we're already seeing some light rain falling towards the east, down by the Cape and Martha's Vineyard and even Nantucket, already reporting about 0.05 of an inch of rain, which is not a whole lot, but we'll take any rain we can get. And as this area of low pressure continues to move to the north, I expect that precipitation shield to expand really into the Rhode Island area and Providence as we go into the overnight hours. And in terms of rain totals, the higher amounts are going to be towards the east, where we could see an excess of 1/4 of an inch of rain to maybe a few jackpot areas seeing an inch of rain, possibly by the Cape and Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. It's not until you go to the west where lesser amounts are likely. Hard-pressed to see a 1/4 of an inch of rain for many locations in Connecticut. But once this air low pressure moves out, high pressure will work in, bringing in a drier and warmer air mass for the end of the week, heading into the weekend with, especially on Friday and Saturday, we could see those temperatures really climb into the upper 80s as shown on the 10-day forecast. But we still have to get through Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday is going to see a decrease in clouds by the afternoon, and then warm Friday and Saturday, and then more humid on Sunday heading into Monday with maybe a chance of showers and thunderstorms by the middle of next week. And we'll see some scattered showers throughout the overnight hours, some much needed rain, mind you. And that chance is really going to increase as we go into the overnight hours after midnight, where we are really going to see numerous showers throughout the area. Now, with this system, expect some high surf. High surf advisories in effect until Wednesday at 8 p.m., where we could see waves up to 4 to 8 feet by the coastline. And even areas towards the south of Rhode Island could see some rough surf, but not advisory levels, but still going to be quite rough around the waters. And even the wind gusts are going to be quite high tomorrow. A wind advisory is in effect for the Cape, where we could see gusts excess of 40 miles per hour. But even if the entire region isn't under a wind advisory, we're going to still see gusty conditions, 20 to 30 miles per hour throughout much of the area. Can't be ruled out. It's not until you get towards the Cape where you'll see gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour. So Futurecast does show those showers entering the area by around midnight or so and remaining persistent throughout the overnight hours heading into the morning. It's not until by the afternoon where I think we could be mainly dry, just a lot of clouds, overcast skies throughout much of the region, but a few rogue showers as this air low pressure does move away certainly can't be ruled out around this time heading into the evening and then drying out nicely.
Time now 2:30 on our Friday afternoon. Eric, it's been a nice day so far, but I hear things are going to be a bit different this afternoon.
Yeah, absolutely. And it is actually a bit more humid today than it was yesterday. And that's giving fuel for actually some showers and thunderstorms as they move to the area to potentially be on the stronger side this afternoon.
Now, you're calling it a weather alert day, right? In fact, you can see all those lightning strikes out there right now.
Absolutely, yeah. And this is all associated with this area of low pressure and a cold front off to the west that is going to drag through the area later on tonight. But we still have these showers and storms ahead of this front to deal with by this afternoon. We'll take a closer look, showing some of those stronger cells producing frequent lightning and torrential downpours. A lot of these cells are actually on the severe side with frequent lightning, many in Massachusetts and Connecticut as of right now. We'll take a closer look at the warning that is closest to our area at the moment. In northern Connecticut, heading to southern Massachusetts, severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 2:45 p.m. for Hampton County, Hartford, and Tallinn for potential gusts up to 60 miles per hour and quarter-sized hail possible with that cell. So do keep that in mind to take shelter as those storms do move through those areas. Now, severe thunderstorm watch is in place for Rhode Island, Connecticut, and much of Massachusetts until 8 p.m. as conditions are ripe for those storms to be on the stronger side. Now, just because there is no watch off to the east, that doesn't mean we're not going to see any thunderstorms. It's just that the severe threat is a bit lowered over there, but we could still see some torrential downpours, maybe gusts of around 40 miles per hour over there. So the dew point trend after this cold front passes through, not looking all that much better. We're going to have dew points in the mid-60s and then much more muggy air mass does come back for Monday and Tuesday. So the more comfortable air doesn't really get to our area quite yet. We're going to have to wait till next week until we see more comfortable air mass in place. So your extended forecast does show those isolated, possibly stronger thunderstorms for today. Then Saturday and Sunday looking nice with temperatures in the lower to mid 80s. And then Monday, Tuesday looking hot again, mix of sun and clouds before another cold front moves through on Wednesday, which could give us a chance for showers and thunderstorms to develop before becoming a lot cooler by the end of next week, heading into the upcoming next weekend.